We caught this out by the Farallon Islands. It's a rock cod. And we're going to be steaming this rock cod today like we always do. We like garlic, so we're going to put a lot of garlic on the fish. Okay, first I like to pour a little soy, lightly salted soy. Then I put some garlic on the inside, underneath, so it soaks in. Okay. I like to put ginger in there. And rub it in, right? And put some ginger on the bottom. So it can kind of be like a broth. Let's take a look. See how we're doing. We're looking real good there. Throw our green onions on the top. And then put some yunsai all over there. Our hot oil. Crisp it up a little bit, and we're ready to go.